Hi, I'm Tony Anthony. I'm a father, I'm a husband, and I'm an attorney. And I wanted to say it in that particular order because I believe that that's the most important priority to establish. We're all concerned about our children, we're all concerned about our spouses, and we're finally concerned with our jobs. But we do our jobs to make sure that our spouses and our children are taken care of. The Upton Law Firm is located at 100 Shield Street in West Hartford. It's a new location for us, but we are looking forward to developing, or I should say continuing, the long and rich tradition and history of great legal service that the Upton Law Firm has consistently given the state of Connecticut. I mostly do family law in terms of the type of law that I practice, but I also do a little bit of criminal defense work, as well as a little bit of this, that, and the other thing. I worked as a solo attorney for a long time, so I was introduced to a great many different disciplines, but at this time I'm mostly focused on family law as well as a little bit of criminal defense work. I have been licensed in the state of Connecticut since 2009. January 5, 2009 is when I was sworn into the state bar here in Connecticut. It was a very proud day for me. My wife and my son were able to attend and witness, and I am pleased that I'm still in good standing and expect to be so for a long time coming. I am currently a member of the Connecticut Bar Association, as well as a Chamber of Commerce member with an organization that's now known as the Connecticut River Valley Chamber of Commerce, but the legacy organization is the Glastonbury Chamber of Commerce. I graduated from law school at Benjamin Cardozo School of Law, which is a member of the Yeshiva University. I am the son and grandson of lawyers, and I suspect it was somewhere in my DNA all along to be a lawyer, but I made the active choice rather late in my life because it's what makes sense to me. I enjoy helping people. I enjoy making sure that people understand that their rights are to be respected and that there's always someone who is willing to help them do that. Love being a lawyer. If there's anything that I could choose to do besides being a lawyer, I'm not sure what it is, quite frankly. Maybe other than being a father and a husband. Logic, reason, evidence, proof, all of those concepts are very important to me, and obviously, in terms of being a lawyer, are very important as well. A typical client. I'm going to take a moment and think about that, and then I'm going to respond that there is no typical client. The closest thing to a typical client is someone who needs to have help with a problem or an issue. And especially if it's a legal issue, lawyers are great for helping people with those issues. If a client knocks on my door or calls my phone and says, I need help, the first thing that they're going to get is my attention. Then they're going to get hard work, commitment, and dedication. Uniqueness, of course, is a function of perspective, a function of context. I'm unique because I have my own particular set of life experiences, my own set of thoughts, concepts, beliefs. One of my strongest beliefs is that everyone deserves to be treated as if he or she was the most important person in the world whenever that person comes to me as a client. And I could not imagine doing anything other than my best for someone who says, I need your help. Finally, I'm glad that you have taken the time to view this video. I hope that you have learned something about not only me, but the Upton Law Firm about how hard we plan to work for you, should you decide that you want to have us assist you with whatever problem that you have.